Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into a brief comparison between ChatGPT Plus versus the Pro. So what are they? Let's look into the video. So basically these two versions, the Plus and the Pro versions of ChatGPT, it's actually the Plus is actually a mid-tier paid subscription which is around $20 per month. That's the Plus version. It gives like better performance, newer model access and priorities during busy periods. Whereas the Pro version here, it's actually a higher end plan, so it's going to cost you around $200 per month, intended for power users or professionals who want fewer limits and higher performance with advanced features. The key difference between these two versions obviously is the price. So the Plus is around $20, the Pro is around $200 per month. And from the Plus version, you have like access to latest general purpose and advanced models like the GPT-4, but usage and rate and capacity, they are limited. Whereas the Pro version here, you have full and unlimited access to the same models with priority allocation and additional reasoning modes that gives more compute and more consistency. So that's the basic difference is that. And also you have some advanced features are, are available, especially like for the Plus version. There are like many advanced features are available, like the voice modes, custom GPTs and everything. But again it comes with some restrictions. Whereas in the Plus version, you have enhanced features, the same features but enhanced and without any restrictions. So Plus is great if you are an individual user, okay, or even a student or a writer or any freelance worker. Okay, if you use like ChatGPT regularly but you don't push it to extreme usage, then you can go for a Plus. Might be beneficial for you. And you can choose Pro. It will be best for you if you heavily rely on ChatGPT for work, example like research works or building products, or frequently any long-term contents, heavy coding, debugging and all those things. Then you can go with these Pro versions. So these are the differences between them, and based on your preference you can just choose either one of these. So that's basically pretty much it is. Hope the video helps.